This is Dave McCain with the Right Tree Genealogy, answering a question that was posted on one of the forums I'm in. Why is it blue? You see a blue downstream SNP, and when you look up the definition in FamilyTreeDNA, it basically tells you it hasn't been tested, and that's unfortunately an inaccurate definition. So I'm going to demo what this means and what I'm talking about by blue SNPs downstream, and then I'm going to show you how I know they actually are reference instead of derived. And let me show you this. I'm in a Haplotree right now for a person in my project, and you see right here it shows that they're derived for this FT29222, but then it's got this blue right here. In blue at the top of the screen, it tells you that it says it's downstream. Click it, downstream, downstream. So he's showing that all of these are blue, which means that he's not tested for these. Well, I'm going to just look at these two right here just for the sake of pulling them up and show you what really is there. So I go into this individual's named variants tab and look at the one that was there, FT27699, and hit enter. When I enter, oh, there's nothing there, so no, they haven't been tested. Well, it says derived yes. When you change this to show all, then you see this one that says no, C and C, but we're going to go even deeper so you'll see what I'm talking about. This person in that position, all reference values. Genotype C, reference C. Therefore, this person has been tested, just was tested reference, and therefore does not have this SNP. Let's take a look at the second one. Again, when you look at this one, you see that derived, it says no results found, and you would say to yourself, well, that doesn't exist. Let's change this again. I'm going to say show all. Now that it come up, again, it says derived and no, and yes, it's on the tree, reference T and T. Well, let's just, for the benefit of this video, click on this one. So if you look at this FT294408 shows reference right here at genotype T, reference T. So this demonstrates to you the fundamental statement, just because it's blue doesn't mean it's not been tested for. So I've done a second example here for you, and this tester has the FT27427 as their terminal SNP. It shows two downstream in blue. This is a BigY test as well, BigY700. They show downstream, and if you again look at that definition, it's telling you that these haven't been tested, but in fact they have been. They're just not derived. We're in this particular tester's match list, and in the name variants tab. There you go. Oh, no results. Same thing as we got a while ago. We changed this, and I could change it to no, but I'm actually going to say show all, just in case there's a situation where it's a question mark or a no call section. But in this case, GG. Let's click it. All reference. GG FT29222 was in blue on his Haplotree, and here's why. He actually is reference. Now let's do the other one, since this SNP was a SNP block, not just an individual SNP, and see what we get here. So as you notice, typed it in, derived, says no results found. Let's change this to show all. So it shows as no, derived on this one, C and C. Let's click into it. It does show that it's on the tree, and let's click on it. This is just to show you examples of how it can show as blue for a particular SNP on a BigY test, and it's really been tested for your just derived. I just want to make sure I reinforce the fact that don't assume you haven't been tested for and that you need to do a SNP pack. If you have a BigY700, as of today, if the SNP shows in blue and it's downstream of you, it is literally you don't have it and the other person does. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing right here or watching some of these other videos. Let's continue learning together.